Unveiling the phrase, to cast a shadow. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever heard the phrase, to cast a shadow, and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore this intriguing phrase, its meanings, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's shed some light on, to cast a shadow. To cast a shadow primarily refers to the physical shadow that an object or person blocks light to create. When an object comes between a light source and a surface, it casts a shadow onto that surface. This is a natural phenomenon and is the most straightforward interpretation of the phrase. 2.1 Influence or presence. In a metaphorical sense, to cast a shadow can describe a situation where something or someone's influence or presence is so strong that it affects others around them. For example, a very successful person might cast a shadow over their peers, making it hard for others to be noticed or appreciated. 2.2 Indication of sadness or negativity. The phrase can also imply that something is causing a sense of sadness, negativity, or gloom. For instance, saying, "The news cast a shadow over the celebrations," means that the joyous occasion was affected or diminished by the news. To fully grasp the usage of to cast a shadow, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use. The tall building casts a long shadow in the evening sun. 2. Influence or presence. The legendary musician's achievements cast a shadow over the new artists trying to make a name for themselves. 3. Indication of sadness or negativity. The unfortunate event cast a shadow on the otherwise joyful family gathering. 1. Context is key. Pay attention to the context. Is it literal, or is it figurative? 2. Tone matters. When used figuratively, this phrase often carries a tone of seriousness or melancholy. 3. Cultural nuances. Remember that the figurative use might vary in impact and understanding across different cultures. Now that you've explored the depths of to cast a shadow, you're ready to use it both literally and metaphorically in your conversations. Whether it's to describe a physical phenomenon or the profound impact of something or someone, this phrase adds depth and texture to your language. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and I hope this has shed light on your understanding of to cast a shadow. Happy learning, and see you next time.